Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried, where today's episode is Eid special. I'm making a recipe which I'm most certain you'll love. Well, this is a recipe which could be a Hirva chicken, it could be a Desi Chinese recipe, it could be a Cafreal. Well, to me, this is a combination of all three elements, and this is Green Chilli Chicken. Let's begin. The first thing is to begin with oil in a pan. You can also take a knob of butter, you can take a tablespoon of ghee. That's absolutely personal. Make it as personalized as you can, because I, of course, have made a lot of changes in the original recipe. This recipe is literally like a quick stir fry. Once the oil heats up, we'll add in onions, which are thick sliced. And to this, I'm also adding these white onions that I had home. So I'm putting both to use. But nevertheless, if you don't have, you can just increase the quantity of onions. The onions need to be a little raw. You don't have to cook them completely. So we'll kind of move ahead in the stages. Let's add in ginger and garlic paste. Well, you can also add in cut, chopped, sliced the way you want. I'm adding in the paste. To this, I'm also adding in green chilies, which are roughly sliced. Time to add in the sliced chicken. Well, this is chicken boneless breast, which is sliced thin. You just need to wash it, slice it, and that's about it. To this, I'm also adding in garam masala powder, a little bit of turmeric, not too much of course, sliced tomatoes, just a pinch of sugar, a tablespoon of vinegar, and salt as required. As basic as this, stir this well. We need to literally cook this on a high flame. Stir fry this wonderfully well. Ensure that the chicken is perfectly cooked. The onions and the tomatoes and the chilies could just retain a little bit of bite, and that's just about perfect. Well, at this stage, you could also add in coriander paste. All you need to do is take a cupful of coriander and run it into a smooth paste. But what I'm doing is I'm going to add in lots of chopped coriander. The chicken is almost cooked and ready, and if you see, the tomatoes have just kind of begun splitting. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of freshly cracked black peppercorns. To this, I'm adding in some potato wedges, because this is my absolute favorite inclusion. And finally, lots of coriander leaves. Remember, I said lots of coriander or coriander paste, whatever you like. If you like it nice and green in color, then coriander paste. If you like it yellow with a lot of green sprinkled here and there, then chopped coriander, of course. Finally, to this, I'm adding in salt as required. A quick stir. And with this, your green chili chicken is done and ready. And literally so in just a few minutes. With this, our green chili chicken is done and ready, and I'm most certain you're going to enjoy making this for your family and friends. And you know why this is so interesting? Because it has so many wonderful flavors, and so simple at that come together and make this wonderful dish. Make this and enjoy. On that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried, and for more such recipes, stay tuned. And once again, Eid Mubarak to all my friends across the globe. Lots of love, lots of happiness, and lots of celebrations. Bye.